Luc Bouchard here, and this is today's Forgiveness Declaration card draw and reading of Reduction. The Reduction. I forgive myself for believing that I am not worthy of God's love. Okay, and the reduction for this is: our suffering comes from our belief that we are separated from God. The way to deal with this connection is to simply stop and ask for the Holy Spirit's help. That's our part in ending the pain and separation. And it's really that simple. It's you have to decide you don't want to be separated from God. You have to decide that it's not worth it, that whatever you're going through. And it's unless you're doing it, how do you know it's going to work? And I when I talk to people about having more peace in their life, it's always about, what's your daily practice? What are you doing every day to maintain that connection with God? How much time are you spending on social media and on TV or movies or Netflix or whatever, and versus how much time you're spending with God? And really, it is that communing with the Holy Spirit, which is God within us, but communing with God is how we get connected. And it's not something you do once and then it lasts forever. It's something you do over time, and you continue to do it to maintain that connection. This image. Yeah, I really enjoyed shooting this. I really like the amount of detail I was able to get with my macro lens, and just kind of this piece of fluff that is out there by itself. Less than perfect, far less than perfect, or fluff or pollen or whatever this is. And I thought, yep, this image really fits for this declaration of not believing that you're worthy of God's love. Thanks so much for watching this video. The answer is pretty simple for peace of mind, and which then comes joy and happiness, and that is connect to the Holy Spirit every day, and pray and devote some time to God, because you need to do that if you want to have the connection.